Dream Design Life. This is Zen. Today we're going to talk about a very specific part of renovation. Many of you has asked me about how did I transform my HDB bathroom to look like a luxurious, 5-star hotel bathroom. Today I'm going to share 5 tips and 5 ways that you can transform your own bathroom to a luxurious bathroom. I talk about materials, design, colors, creating space and accessories. So watch on. If you haven't yet, subscribe and click like for my videos. See you later. So you've got your new house, you have your new bathroom, but what do you do with the bathroom? The first thing you need to do is to really have a creative phase where you look out for different styles of bathroom from Pinterest. Okay, 3 different types of design after my research. So one is really a darker color where it matches the rest of the house, perhaps in a darker palette. Okay, my friend said that if it's dark, you can't see the dust or the dirt. The second thing is have to have a contrast. You can have a light and dark together. I find that this works really well for larger bathrooms because when you contrast, you essentially split the bathroom into a 2. Okay. The last one is to go for a really lighter palette, which is what I did with my bathroom. I went for a matte marble throughout. So decide on your design, do a little bit of research, see what you like, how it will interact with the rest of the house. The second thing, it's really to create space. And how you create space, it can be either what I did from extending your bathroom. If you look at your floor plan, discuss with your ID, is there any way to expand even by 10, 20 centimeters? It's going to make a little bit of a difference to make it feel more luxurious. And creating space can also come with installing glass doors. If you are concerned about privacy, you can go for frosted glass door, and that really creates an illusion of space. Number 3 is really about picking the right materials that works for you. I have a rule of thumb, which is the 2x2 for the bathroom, because bathrooms are usually smaller. Any differences in color is quite obvious and it will show a disconnect. So what I mean by 2x2 is to have 2 primary colors and at most 2 secondary colors. So for example, in my bathroom, I have the 2 primary colors, which is a marble as well as a white. So my cabinets are white and my wall is marble. And what you notice is there are secondary colors. There is some gold and the tile is a grey. So overall, there's a consistency in this 2x2 plan. So that's what I would suggest to you. When it comes to picking materials as well, I would suggest matte instead of glossy. Matte is so much easier to maintain. I think it's a myth that only glossy you can look luxurious. Now the 4th thing is really simple, but I find that very few people go through with it because your IDs might charge you a higher price and not be able to source for it quickly. They usually have to hand make these things. So the mirror is very important. I mean, think about the times that you look in the mirror in the bathroom. Use a round mirror, not oval, not square, but a round mirror. A round mirror really complements the rest of the squarish lines in the room, whether it applies for every room in your house really. So a round mirror is the way to go. It makes it more comfortable, more natural, and definitely amps up the luxury quotient of the bathroom. And the 5th tip, the very last tip, is to really work with your ID to have false ceiling, whereby you can implant the lights, light bulbs inside. This is what all hotels do. It's a very tiny detail, but a really important detail to have. So all those things are the lessons I've learned from my renovation journey. I hope it's helpful to all of you. I know it's not easy. If you have any questions on anything that I talk about today, feel free to type it in the comments down below. And with that, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. Oh, did you check out this really nice display from IKEA? Yeah, it's time for Chinese New Year during this period.